Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode on the Inside Scoop, we are going to be doing an overview of what estimated taxes are and who needs to pay them. And then in an upcoming video, we are going to be chatting about how to calculate and make those payments for estimated taxes. So let's go over the basics and understand what estimated taxes are. Let's head in. I'm Heather, a wedding and senior photographer based in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and on this channel, I love to help other photographers understand and manage their taxes as a small business owner, streamline their systems so that they can spend more time with family and friends, and I also love to give a little sneak peek into my life here and there. Now, as I mentioned, today's episode is all about diving into what an estimated tax is and just going over what they are and who needs to pay them. So, an estimated tax is a quarterly payment of taxes for the year based on the filer's reported income for the period. So income taxes are pay as you go. So you can't just wait until the end of the year to pay all of your taxes on your income. You need to be doing it as you go. And so estimated taxes are quarterly payments that you're making for your taxes for the year. As a small business owner, we need to pay estimated taxes because we don't have those taxes withheld from our income automatically like an employee does. An employee already has it set up with a W-4 that those taxes are withheld whenever they are paid on a weekly or bi-weekly or monthly basis. But as small business owners, we don't have that automatically withheld from our income. So we need to be paying the government for those taxes throughout the year. And we have it set up as quarterly payments. And so it will be based off of the income that you've made for that period. So the only time you as a small business owner do not need to have estimated taxes set up is if you are just starting out your business and would owe less than $1,000 in taxes at the end of the year. If you have not reached that threshold, then you don't need to worry about setting up those estimated taxes. But once you are going to need to pay more than $1,000, or if the last year you had to pay over $1,000, you're going to need to be setting up and paying those estimated taxes from here on out. Now, those payments and when they are due are going to be in those 4 different months. First one is going to be on April 15th. The second one will be June 15th. September 15th is the third one. And then the fourth one is January 15th. As you could probably see there, they are not perfectly split up every 3 months. So make sure you write them down in your calendar so that you know exactly when those estimated taxes are due and you give yourself enough time to make the payments and send them in. All right, the only other thing that I want to mention about estimated taxes is at the end of the year, you still need to file those annual taxes. That is just to make sure that you don't owe any more money than what your estimated taxes covered, or you don't get a return back because you overpaid in those estimated tax payments. So you still need to make sure you're filing those annual taxes, even if you pay estimated tax payments, but that will kind of wrap everything up as a bow with the IRS and make sure that you don't owe any additional money or that you don't get any money back because you overpaid. So I hope you found this episode helpful in breaking down what an estimated tax is and who needs to pay them. If you have any further questions for me about estimated taxes, feel free to drop them below in the questions. I'm also going to be doing another video soon all about how to calculate and pay those estimated taxes so that you can make sure you're doing that correctly, but that will be in a future episode. If you have any questions in the meantime, I'm absolutely happy to help. If you found this video helpful, I would absolutely love if you subscribed, and not only will it let me know that what I'm putting out is helpful to you, but it'll also let you know when a new episode goes live each week. Thank you so much for joining me again in another episode on the Inside Scoop, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya.